You're watching the Weiss channel. All right, today we are going to do, let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to do writing and solving inequalities. Okay, so here's how it works. Here's problem one. The first problem we're going to do today is, under her cell phone plan, Lily pays a flat cost of $40 per month. So you know what I'm going to do? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put 40. Okay? So plus 40. Now, $4 per gigabyte. Whenever you see per, that's going to be times X. Okay? All right, so 4X. All right. So now she's got $4 per gigabyte and plus a $40 cost per month. And she wants to keep her bill under $60 per month. That's going to be less than 60. Okay, so now that is your setup. All right, this is what you need to put in if you're doing delta math, for example. This will be the inequality that needs to go in for the first line. Then you're going to need to solve. How do I solve? Well, I'm going to minus 40 from both sides, right? When I minus 40 from both sides, I'm going to get 4X is less than 20, right? So when I have 4X is less than 20, I divide both sides by 4, and I get X is less than 5. So that is the final answer. And this here will be the setup. You will need both answers in your delta math assignment, okay? All right. Audrey has a points card for a movie theater. All right, so she gets 85 rewards points just for signing up. All right, so I'm going to say right there, plus 85. All right, she earns 12.5 points for each visit to the movie theater. So again, 12.5 per movie she goes to. That's going to be 12.5x. Okay. She needs at least 265 points for a free movie ticket. At least is going to be greater than or equal to 265. Okay, that is your setup. All right. So now, how do I solve? Well, I'm going to minus 85 from both sides, right? Okay. Minus 85 from both sides. I'm going to get 12.5 x is greater than or equal to, what's 265 minus 85? That's 180. Divide by 12.5. And 180 divided by 12.5. 14.4 x is greater than or equal to 14.4. Now, here's the weird part, okay? First of all, this is the answer, all right? Now, it's not possible to go to 0.4 of a movie. So in order to actually get the problem generally correct, you would have to put 15. Since you can't see 0.4 of a movie, you'd have to do 15. But in the case of today's Delta Math assignment, they, for some reason, just want the decimal. So you want the setup and then the answer, okay? All right, here's another one. A group of friends wants to go to the amusement park. They have no more than $365 to spend. So it's going to be less than or equal to $365, right? Okay. Now, parking is $16.25. No matter what, if you have 2 people in the car or 28 people in the car, it's going to be $16.25 for that car to park. Okay. It's $38.75 tickets per person. There we are with the per. So it's 38.75. And they want us to use P this time. Okay. I'm sorry on this. I don't know why it comes up PP. I'm sorry about that, but it's just P. All right. Anyway, you minus 16.25 to both sides. Okay. And you get 38.75 P less than or equal to 348.75. All right. You're going to divide both sides by 38.75. All right. And then you will get P less than or equal to 9 people. Right, that's the answer. And of course, don't forget, this is the setup. Okay. You'll need both of those. Here's one more. Penelope needs to order some new supplies for the restaurant where she works. The restaurant needs at least 468 spoons. All right, so she's gonna need more than or equal to 468. There are currently 256 spoons. Okay, plus 256. All right, each set for sale contains 8 spoons. All right, so it's 8x. Okay, so we minus 256 from both sides. Okay. And we get 8x greater than or equal to 212. Divide by 8. And 212 divided by 8 is 26.5. Greater than or equal to 26.5. Okay. Okay, I want to take some time. I've just decided, because there was one problem in Delta Math. Let's go to Delta Math. All right, and let's take a look. Okay, here's a sample problem, and people have been struggling with this, all right? Okay. Sorry, I'm just gonna move this over here. Move this to the left. All right, it says Brianna has $620 to spend at a bicycle store for some new gear and biking outfits, okay? Okay, so this is gonna be greater than or equal to 260. Okay, I'm sorry, 620. Greater than or equal to 620. All right, now, here's the deal. She buys a new bicycle for $261.04. All right, well, so I gotta add this together, $261.04. What else? She buys 3 bicycle reflectors for $13.07. So I'm going to, on my calculator, I'm going to multiply 13.07 times 3. And that gives me 39.21. Okay. Now, and a pair of bike gloves for $13.57. Okay. Now, I'm going to add all of that together. Right? When I add all of that together, I get 261.04 plus 39.21 plus 13.57 gives me 313.82. Okay, so I need you to put all these numbers together to make plus 313.82. You got to add all that. Okay, then it says over here, it says she plans to spend some or all of the money she has left to buy new biking outfits for $51.03 each. Okay, so that means $51.03x. Okay, so there's my equation, right? All right, so now I got a minus 313.82 from both sides. All right, 620 minus 313.82 is 306.18. So 51.03x greater than or equal to 306.18. My, right? So divide by 51.03. Divide by 51.03. And you get 6. There you go. Okay. So x is greater than, no. Why do I have greater than? She can't spend more than what she has. I'm gonna apologize there. It's gotta be less than or equal to, right? Less than or equal to. Your answer is gonna be less than or equal to 6, okay? So there's your answer. There's your setup, okay? And there you go. You've been watching the Weiss channel. Have a great day.